Imagine trying to construct a building with no idea of the materials you're working with. Sounds impossible, right? In the realm of programming, understanding your materials or data types is equally crucial. So, what are these data types and why are they so important? Scene script. Picture integers, the whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. These are the bricks of your programming house, the basic units. For instance, you might use integers to count the number of users on your website or the score in a game. Output. Now imagine you need to measure something with more precision. That's where floating point numbers or floats come into play. They can represent fractions or decimal points like 3.14 or minus 0.5. You might use floats to calculate a user's average score or to track the time in a race to the millisecond. And next up we have strings, which are sequences of characters. These could be words, sentences, or even single characters like a or 1. You could use a string to store a user's name or a message they have written. Booleans, on the other hand, are the traffic lights of programming. They can only have two values, true or false. Booleans are used to make decisions in your code, like whether a user is logged in or not. Then we have arrays, the storage boxes of your code. An array can store multiple values of any data type, like a list of integers or a collection of strings. This could be a list of your users' names or a sequence of scores in a game. Objects are like the rooms in your programming house. They group related data and functions together, allowing you to create complex structures. An object could represent a user with properties like name and email, and behaviors like login and logout. Finally, we have null and undefined. Null is like an empty box, representing a deliberate absence of value. Undefined, however, is more like a box you haven't looked in yet. It could contain anything or nothing at all. In summary, data types are the building blocks of your code. They allow you to work with precision and clarity, from counting with integers, to making decisions with Booleans, to grouping related data in objects. Understanding the different data types is a fundamental step in your journey as a programmer. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming insights. Until next time, keep coding.